Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to install our rear diffuser kit and spats using the new i30N Facelift 2 2025. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I thought I'd just go through the kit because there are a few options. But first thing, we are using the new MY25, so I think it's called like a Facelift 2. This kit does fit the previous facelift model and also the newer 2025. When it comes to options, it does come in two finishes. So you've got your textured finish, which is very similar to like the matte accents on the car. Also comes in the gloss finish, which matches the grille, so you can choose. Accessories, the spats, you can option for winglets. You can buy them separately, which I'll go into a bit later. Hardware is all stainless steel and the fins click in using our flow lock system. So with that out the way, let's get into installing. First thing you want to do is assemble your diffuser. So what that means is you have to grab the diffuser fins and slot them into the slot. But just make sure you pay attention because a lot of people get this wrong, and I've done it too. Every fin is different, it's a different profile. And they're all labeled R1, R2, R3, R4, L1, 2, 3, 4, and they go into a specific spot in the diffuser. So grab your diffuser, lay out your fins beforehand, have all the lefts on one side, and then you slide them in. So for example, that's L1. L1 is here. So I'm just gonna grab it and slot it in. It snaps into place. These are going to be very hard to get out if you make a mistake. They're called flow lock for a reason. So just double check as you go along. L2, clicks in, and continue with the rest. Now that you have your diffuser assembled, all you got to do is hang it onto the car and then center it. This will give you your drilling point. So there's 4 holes you got to drill out. What you want to do is just push it in as far as you can. Access is already really good. So all you got to do is grab behind it, grab an 8mm drill bit, drill the hole, and then put your nut and bolt in. So I'm ready to drill now. I've got an 8mm drill bit. I've centered it to the factory diffuser fin. So I'm going to drill and then put my nut and bolts in. Is to tighten the bolts. So I've got a 4mm Allen bit and a 10mm spanner. I like to just pull on it just to make sure I get a nice and tight fitment. For the rear spats, there is a little splash guard or cover that you need to remove first, just so you can get access to put your nuts and bolts in. So all you need is a little pry tool and take out the clips on the bottom. There's also a couple of clips on the top that will release the cover. With the cover off, you can now align the part. So we've designed this to be exactly the same as that line on the back of the bar. So all you gotta do is line up the 2 lines together. The top of this bevel will line with the end of the bar. So just like that. I've got a clamp, so I like to clamp it in place. And then I can make any micro adjustments before drilling and putting the bolts in. So I'm ready to put in the nut and bolt combos now, but if you are running winglets as well, just remember that they do share the same mounting point. So if you've got winglets, put them on first and then bolt them up, make any adjustments and then tighten it. Last step is to put the covers that we removed earlier when you're done. There you go, rear diffuser, spats and the winglets have been installed. Now, a reminder, remember to double check the engraving on the diffuser fins and make sure they correspond to the right lettering on the diffuser. Also, if you've got winglets, remember to put that in together because they do share the same mounting point, otherwise you gotta take it off again and put it back on. Other than that, I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.